one of the Japanese starting pitchers, I didn't believe him when he told me this or when I heard it. He threw a 330 pitch bullpen. 330 pitches. Took him 2 hours. How do you stay locked in for 330 pitches? So it's raining today, so we're gonna take a taxi to the field today.
The first thing?
Yeah. Sweet. After my first day was very good. Yeah, got to practice. Finally do some throwing to someone, take some ground balls, work out. Good day, felt really good. Day 2 of being able to leave and go and practice. So this is what I will be riding today. Cross this bridge every day. Nice little water view. Show you a little bit of our locker here. This is what we got. The first one, yeah?
Extend it. Extend, yeah.
If they extend it, then it's going to be longer. Just got done with practice, so now we are on our way back home. Man, my body is sore after not being running and stuff like that for 2 weeks. But other than that, I'm feeling good, feeling strong. Today I'm getting my first bullpen in since my quarantine. A little touch and feel, get off the mound, feel it out again. Just got done my bullpen. Now I'm gonna get a workout in. That's our last day, last practice before we leave for spring training tomorrow. Let me get my last little touch and feel bullpen in. Okay, so last day of practice before we head to spring training tomorrow, done. Got in a little bullpen today. Wasn't the greatest bullpen I've ever thrown. Tomorrow we head out in the morning, fly to Okinawa. So stuff gets going pretty quick there, and within a week we're throwing live BPs. Alright, today is the day we leave for Okinawa for our spring training. Yeah, we head to the field now, take a bus to the airport, jump on a plane, little 2-hour flight to Okinawa. Alright, made it to Okinawa. So we're here for a month, get spring training started tomorrow, and get things going. Good morning, it is day 2 spring training. They definitely do not take it easy on the first day. It was a really long and hard conditioning day yesterday, so my body's a little sore. So we got some card signings that we gotta do for the team. So this is like an electric blender. It worked. So one thing that takes some getting used to when coming to Japan is when you are on the road or in a hotel, spring training, you dress and get ready in full uni at your hotel. So there's no uniforms or anything at the field that you go change into. You do that all here in your hotel room and get on the bus fully dressed. Morning, morning, morning. Day 4. Day 4 is in the books. It's off day. Kevin and I are about to head off to the mall, grab a couple things, and we're off. Spaghetti on ice cream. Productive day. Now it's time to head back. It is just before sunrise today. Today I have a live BP. So live do some hitters, think 2 innings. Laundry time. 200 yen. Clothes. I think that's it. Got my laundry. Pretty sure I'm wearing white today for the live BP. Yo! The wind and rain is howling over here. Well, it is a windy, rainy day today, so it was a nice quick short day. We got started earlier. I want to show you the backpacks that we use here. So last year I got this one, Mizuno, and then you can have whatever you want written here. So I just have my number 70 and Scott in Japanese. So we're on the mound throwing the hitters, but we had to tell them what's coming for every pitch, all 40 pitches. Tell them what pitch is coming, where it's coming, and pretty much they just get to hit off you. So that's BP. And then the 13th, 2 days, I'll throw live BP. Now that's more game situation, like no L screens or nets or anything. It's kind of a normal game situation type of thing, I'd say. And then after that, I'd be in a full-on game. So the new pitches, the little splitty and curveball, had some good ones and mostly bad ones. But it's going to take some time to get those down at game speed. But other than that, fastball, sinker, slider, they were really good. Feels like we're having a little typhoon. At the end of the day, I just had dinner. Do my second live BP today. 2 innings of about 15-20 pitches each inning. Ended up getting like 9 consecutive outs, something like that. Didn't give up a hit. Show you some video from today. Fastball on the outside, slider for a strike, and then slider off the plate for a strikeout. But it went well, yeah. Out of the 2 innings, no hits, a couple strikeouts, 1 walk, last guy. Fastball was good, 92 for this early, happy with that. Slider was good, threw some good splits that they rolled over, got ground balls on, so happy about that. Still little things off that I need to work on and fix and get fully to the right mechanics. Still feel a little stiff and robotic right now, so work that out. And then pitching in the actual game against the Giants on the 17th. We got our first game tomorrow, then off day, game. So now it starts, game start, and now it gets serious, competing for a job, for a spot on the starting rotation. It's time to compete.